Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about Zone 4. I've got a very minimalist section in this Zone 4, so I'll go through it real quick on a tour, but essentially Zone 4 is where you'd harbor your agroforestry and your firewood, and possibly in the future your lumber milling, stuff like that. But I'll just run you through a quick tour on this. Keep in mind this is a suburban area, so the more acreage you have, the bigger the zones get. So this is a mini zone. So in this zone, this is a very narrow strip along the back fence. What we're doing here is, this is a Chinese tallow. Its companion passed away from some sort of a disease, so we're wondering if this one's going to go too, but this will likely become firewood eventually. Over to the side of it, this is the former compost bin taken apart. This will likely be scrapped. Moving over here into the first archway, we have our elderberry bush that I covered in Zone 3. I kind of include this in Zone 3 because it is producing berries that will likely be canned. But other than that, you know the rest of the information on this one. Next to the elderberry, we have a I don't know if I'd call this a sapling, but we have a start of a crepe myrtle that I was able to successfully clone from the main parent tree. This is one that a former owner cloned that we've been taking care of. And moving on, this is the parent crepe myrtle tree, and as you can see, it's been around for quite a few years. I really enjoy these trees. They have a really nice look to them, even when they don't have leaves. Kind of artistic. And moving on here, we have our these piles of logs are where the mushrooms were plugged. They were didn't appear to be successful. We did have a drought when I originally plugged them, so I'm wondering if that didn't knock out the mycelium. And moving on here, this is the final section of Zone 4. This is a easement for our utility lines, and I planted oats in this area. I've just been knocking them back and kind of letting them reincorporate into the soil. Just trying to build up some plant matter. This concludes your tour of Zone 4, and thank you all for watching.